Oh, can you smell that? Can you guys smell that aroma? Okay guys, so as you see in the title, we're gonna make a pineapple juice for you guys today. Alright, so this is our pineapple peel, the outer layer of the pineapple skin, and the core of the pineapple. Alright, and any other little pieces that you didn't want on your pineapple that we're gonna eat. So we're gonna use all of this now to make our pineapple juice. Okay, so we're just gonna cut up these a little bit smaller for you guys. Okay guys, so we're back. We're just gonna cut these in a little smaller pieces. You want to release all the flavors from your pineapple. Alright. Okay, and one of the key ingredients in making a great pineapple drink is your ginger. Alright, so you can either dice up your ginger. You don't have to remove the outer layer. You can just dice up your ginger, or what you can do is just press your ginger. Alright, any method you choose works the same. Alright, but I like to dice it up. Alright, so now we have all our pineapple skin all cut it up with our ginger. Alright, so we're gonna pour some water on the pineapple peels with the ginger. Alright. And we're gonna just put this on the fire and let it come to a boil. Maybe we're gonna give it about 15-20 minutes to release all the flavors in the pineapple and in the ginger, because we're not actually gonna use this. We're gonna extract the flavor from this with a boiling method. All right. Okay guys, so we have put it on the stove. We're just gonna cover it, turn on the flame, and let it boil. Okay. Okay guys, so the pineapple has been boiling for a while now, so we're just gonna check on it. I hope everyone's smelly vision is ready. I hope everyone has their smelly vision ready. Oh, can you smell that? Can you guys smell that aroma? My God. So we're just gonna go ahead now and turn off the fire and let this cool down for a while. Okay, so we are removing the heat from the fire, and we are just gonna let this rest for a while before we actually start sweetening the juice. Okay. Alright guys, so we're back now after cooling down our pineapple mixture. Get it all cooled down. We're just gonna strain it now and get it all sweetened up. Okay. Alright, so just gonna take our time and pour it out. Okay, get out all of the liquid. Alright, so this part of it, we're not gonna use this part of it now, okay? We're just gonna discard this. Alright, so now we have our mixture. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna add a little lime juice to the mixture. Add a little lime juice. Alright, and then you can sweeten it with whatever you want to use. If you want to use honey, you can use that, but we're using a little sugar today. Not gonna use a lot. You just want it to be a refreshing pineapple drink. Alright, and guys, as Super Kool always let you know, simplicity. Alright, all we use in this is just the skin and the peelings of the pineapple and a little piece of ginger with some lemon juice or some lime juice. That's all, guys. Alright, okay, so I'm just gonna give it a little taste. Yeah, so you can put a little rum if you like, kick it up a notch, but we're not gonna put any rum today. But if you want, you can put a little bit of rum. Alright, okay guys, so we're just gonna put this in the fridge and get it kind of chilled, and then we're gonna serve it. Alright, so it's all cooled down now. So there it looks. Okay guys, so that's it, your pineapple drink. Enjoy.